What if I told you that the fighter jets we know today, the Su-30S, the Rafales, even the F-35, will be obsolete within the next 2 decades? The next war in the skies won't be fought with pilots alone. It'll be fought with AI, stealth drone swarms, hypersonic speeds, and laser weapons. And while the US, China, and Europe are racing toward this 6th generation future, the question is, where is India in this race? Is AMCA our ticket to future air dominance? Or will we be left watching from the sidelines as others write the rules of 21st century warfare? The skies of 2040 won't be ruled by what we know today: stealth, AI, drone swarms, and hypersonic speeds. The 6th generation of fighter jets is coming, and the world is racing to dominate it. The US, China, and Europe are deep into testing. But what about India? Will we soar or stall? We all know about 4th and 5th generation fighters, the Su-30S, Rafales, F-22S, F-35S. They brought us super maneuverability, stealth, and data fusion. But the 6th generation fighter is a different beast entirely. It's not just a jet, it's a flying command center, AI brain, and mission orchestrator, all rolled into one. Key features of 6th gen fighters: AI-assisted combat systems. The aircraft learns and adapts in real time. Think dogfights guided by algorithms. Manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T. A single fighter will control multiple loyal wingman drones for reconnaissance, decoy, jamming, or even attack missions. Directed energy weapons, DWs, lasers or high-power microwaves to disable enemy missiles mid-flight. Sensor fusion and quantum radar, a true 360-degree awareness of the entire battle space. Optional manned capability pilots might not even be on board. Networked warfare. The fighter isn't operating alone. It's part of a seamless global combat web. In essence, 6th gen jets are not just fighters. They're airborne AI supercomputers with guns. As we speak, the 6th gen arms race is already in full throttle. The US, China, and Europe have all committed billions to be the first to rule the skies of the future. Let's break it down. The United States is developing the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD, with both Air Force and Navy variants in the works. This advanced system could debut as early as 2030. It boasts smart AI-driven systems, expendable stealth drones flying alongside the main aircraft, extreme stealth, super cruise, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. NGAD features a modular design, allowing for replaceable mission-specific components. The estimated cost per jet is over $300 million. NGAD isn't just a jet, it's a multi-platform AI-enabled air dominance ecosystem. China's JXX or J-25, while the name remains unconfirmed, is shrouded in secrecy. It is possibly already in early prototype testing. This aircraft is believed to leverage stealth, unmanned teaming, and advanced jamming, and it may utilize swarms of UCAVs to overwhelm enemy defenses. The expected service date is the late 2030s or even earlier. With China's speed of development, from the J-20 to navalized stealth, India can't afford to be a bystander. Europe is not far behind with its own advanced fighter programs, Tempest and FCAS. Tempest is a collaboration between the UK, Italy, and Japan, while FCAS involves France, Germany, and Spain. The Tempest includes a holographic cockpit, drone control capabilities, and AI and directed energy weapon integration. FCAS features a combat cloud that links aircraft, satellites, and drones into one brain, with collaboration from Airbus and Dassault. With Japan joining Tempest, the Indo-Pacific now has a direct 6th generation player on our doorstep. Now let's talk about India. Our answer to the 5th generation challenge is the AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. But is it enough? Or are we already behind? AMCA Overview, developed by HAL, ADA, and DRDO. Phase 1 includes stealth, supercruise, and advanced avionics, classified as 5.5 generation. Phase 2 is planned to include directed energy weapons, artificial intelligence, and manned-unmanned teaming, moving towards the 6th generation. Sounds promising, right? But timelines matter. And India is already decades behind. Challenges with AMCA. The first flight is estimated between 2028 and 2030. Full operational deployment is expected by 2035 or later. There's still no final prototype as of 2025. Reliance on the GE F414 engine, which is not yet indigenized, is another hurdle. Indigenous engine development via GTRE is still facing delays. AMCA might get us into the 5th generation club. but by the time it's flying, the world may have moved on to the next level. To win in the 6th generation, you don't just need a jet, you need an entire tech ecosystem, and that's where India's biggest battle lies. Major hurdles India must overcome. Jet engine technology, no indigenous 5th gen or variable cycle engines. Kaveri program stalled, though Safran JV may revive it. AI-driven avionics, India's AI is still at early TRL levels. Need real-time combat decision systems, not civilian AI. Loyal wingman drones, HAL's cats. Warrior is in early development. Needs swarm intelligence, secure comms, and low RCS drones. Stealth materials and coatings, radar. Absorbent material, RAM, is still under active R&D. Surface treatment and shaping tech lag behind global leaders. Sensor fusion and electronic warfare, still catching up to AESA plus IRST level integration. Until we solve these tech puzzles, a 6th gen jet will remain a paper tiger. Let's be clear, this is not just about aviation, it's about power, sovereignty and survival in the Indo-Pacific. The country that owns the sky owns the war. Why this matters for India: China's dominance in Tibet, South China Sea and potentially Sri Lanka. Japan and South Korea progressing with advanced air fleets. Pakistan may piggyback on Chinese 6th gen tech. Two-front war reality. India needs not just numbers but quality and survivability in contested airspace. With PLADF deploying hundreds of J-20S and possibly a 6th gen by 2040, the balance tilts dangerously if India lags behind. Strategic deterrence. No 6th gen means reduced deterrence. Risk of over-reliance on imported jets in future crises. In the 2040s, having 4th gen fighters in a 6th gen war would be like taking bows and arrows to a drone swarm fight. So what can India do? Is there still time to turn the tide? Yes, but only with bold decisions now. Option 1. Build AMCA Phase 2 into a 6th gen platform. Requires massive investment in AI, stealth drones, and do now. Needs parallel engine program, Safran Plus, GTRE or Rolls-Royce collaboration. Option 2. Join global 6th gen program. Tempest is most compatible, UK-Japan India =sign Indo-Pacific Alliance. Co-develop core systems while maintaining strategic control. Option 3. Leapfrog via drone warfare. Focus on MUM-T systems, swarm drones, and AI-backed UCAVs. CATS, Warrior, Alpha S, and Swift can act as 6th gen force multipliers even without a jet. Option 4. Import 6th gen or components. Buy-in for engines, radar systems, and avionics from allies. Integrate them into AMCA MK2 or a new design. The future belongs to those who innovate or collaborate. Sitting out is not an option. The sky is the new battlefield, invisible, fast, and algorithm-driven. If India wants to lead, we must invest today for the skies of tomorrow. The 6th generation isn't just about tech, it's about sovereignty, strategy, and survival. What do you think? Should India go solo on AMCA or join forces with a global partner for 6th gen supremacy? Let's discuss in the comments.